So this is before and this is after. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove your green background in OBS Studio. So let's get started. First go to your OBS and go to your face cam source. Now this is my face cam, this is the video capture that I'm using, and right now I'm using my phone as a webcam. If you want to know how, you can watch the video on the channel. There's a playlist on OBS Studio, so you can watch it if you want. So let's get back to the video. Select your face cam from here, video capture device, and go to filters and click on add and select chroma key. Okay. So as you can see, it removed my background and it did a really good job without needing to change anything. So from here you can change the settings. Like from here you change the similarity. Increasing this will make it remove the more greener color. So change these three settings until you find a good quality outcome. I'll restore this to default. Also, if you have a blue backdrop, not a green one, you can select it from here, or you can select a custom color. So select a custom color like this and click on select color. You will have this color panel here, select any one, or you can select the screen color. So if I click on this, now I can select any color. Also, before you add the chroma key filter, you can add some color correction, like adding some color correction from here, filters, color correction, and add some contrast and some saturation. Now after we add our chroma key, let's say we want to add another backdrop. So download any picture you want, like this for example. I want to make this as my backdrop. So I'll drag this to OBS Studio and drag this layer below the video capture device like this. And now move it like this until it's behind you and make it smaller. Just like this. Now I've removed my background completely and it's a very cheap solution if you don't have a studio or something. So you can just buy a piece of fabric and use it as a chroma key. And also having good lights and far distant from the backdrop will make it much better. Right now I'm really close to the backdrop, so it may show some green colors on my hands and on my face. And also this chroma is just a piece of fabric that I bought from a local shop. So you don't need to buy any expensive stuff from Amazon or something. The price of this green fabric was less than $3. So you don't need to buy any expensive chroma or something. Just hang it to the wall using tape or something. Just look around your house and you will find something to use. And also if you don't have a green screen and you don't want to buy one, I have another video on how to remove this background without having a green screen. So if it's a white background or just your normal room, you can remove this background without this filter. I have another video on the channel explaining how to do that, so you can watch that video if you want. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.